Welcome to our channel. Finding the right downloader code helps Firestick sports fans access streaming apps easily and enhance their viewing experience. Step 1. From your Firestick home screen, navigate to the settings icon and select My Fire TV to access device settings. Step 2. Choose developer options and enable both ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources to allow third-party app installations. Step 3. Return to the home screen and search for the downloader app using the search function, then install it from the Amazon App Store. Step 4. Open the downloader app and enter the URL code for your preferred sports streaming application in the address bar. Step 5. Wait for the APK file to download completely, then click Install when prompted to add the sports app to your Firestick. Step 6. After installation, you can delete the APK file to free up storage space on your Firestick device. Step 7. Find your newly installed sports app in the Your Apps and Channels section of your Firestick for easy access. Step 8. Always use legal streaming services and respect copyright laws when accessing sports content on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.